This is a behind the scenes of how, I put tracks together. Basically, this be just about 4 tracks. So I have the bass, chop them up, sample here that I made myself, and I filtered, some drums here. These are cycle drums. As you can see, every time I hit the pad, you get a different articulation. And that right there, right, that helps you give a natural swing, a natural human feel to your drums. I even have to put swing or move your drums or whatever. So that's the advantage of my drums over like standard one shots or whatever. Make it sound more organic, more human. I got some toms here. The drums here, I made sure that they're very low inside of the beat. I didn't really want overpowering drums because I'm going for a certain emotional feel. Right, so here it is. I call this Unfound Beauty. All right. Kind of almost like a Rick Ross type feel. To support me, go to thecyclekit.com, pick my kits up. I got my new album, Masada Memoirs, Volume 1 through 3. I'm telling you, this is a classic album. You can just chill out to it or you can sample it. Love and respect. Take care.